Hi my loves, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Okay, today we're going to be doing the second version to enhance our push-ups, okay? So first what we're going to do is I'm going to show you some stretches against the wall which is going to strengthen your shoulders and activate your shoulders so you understand how to move your shoulders. From there we're going to move into some drills again just to enhance your shoulders, and the third one we're going to do push-up against the wall so you understand how to use your hands into the wall so we don't become all like lopsided, okay? That's all I'm going to say. So we're going to come to the wall. Now as we come to the wall, you're going to come close to the wall. Now when you come close to the wall, you can take 1 foot distance. Now as you take 1 foot distance, if you have a big nose like mine, your nose can touch easily, okay? But try and not make other parts of your body touch. Now if you want, do not, remember when you're doing this, do not arch your back. Take that tailbone in, okay? Don't arch your back, take that tailbone in. You're going to take your hands forward. Now as you take your hands forward, if your nose is relaxing, relax the nose. Now try and not move your hands. You're not going to move the hands. See, back and forward. We're not doing this weird dance position, okay? So what you want to do is you want to try and take your hands. Just watch. Now if it's out at the maximum, you're going to take and move the fingertips towards you, okay? That's inside and out. Move the shoulders in towards you and out. 3 towards you. So it's like you're going to squeeze a pen in between your shoulder blades and out. 4. Squeeze and out. 5 and out. 6. Squeeze. No tension on your shoulders and out. So do not get your neck up, okay? 6 and up. Relax your neck. 7. Lengthen your shoulders and out. So if your nose is touching, no problem. 8 or your forehead. And 9. Squeeze. And you should already start feeling, last one, 10. You should already start feeling your shoulder blades. Stay 10. Your scapula. Your shoulders on top. 9. 8. The muscle here. 7. Your deltoids. 6. Squeeze it in. 5. Don't let go of the pen. 4. Breathe. 3. Take the tailbone in. Don't arch the back. Take the tailbone in. 2. 1 and release. Now that we're done with that, you should already feel your shoulders. Okay, now we're going to move into the workout. We're going to do some shoulder drills in the cat position and in your full plank, okay? So inhale, exhale, we're going to come down. If you don't know how and what distance you're going to measure, I've already done this, but I'll explain it again. So you are going to get your elbows to your knees. Come up. You're going to take 1 fist distance forward and you're going to come up, okay? This is your happy cat and angry cat position. You want your hands to where your shoulders are, okay? Now, inhale, exhale. When we are doing this motion, you want to only move your shoulder blades. So you're going to go in and just watch from the side profile. You're not doing this. Can you see? You're not dunking in and coming up. You're not dunking in and coming out. You're not doing that. No. You want to make sure your core is tight, okay? Squeeze the core. Inhale, exhale. You're only moving, lengthen the spine, only moving your shoulder. And push. 2 and push. 3 and push. 4 and push. It's that same pen motion. 7 and push. Keep breathing. 8 and push. Don't let go of the spine. Don't do this. Take the tailbone in. Last one, 10. You're going to squeeze, breathe, stay 10. Take the weight forward, feel it in your fingertips as well, okay? Don't only feel it on the base of your palm. 8. Keep breathing. 7. Squeeze it in. Again, don't arch. You're not arching. Take that tailbone in. 5. Squeeze. 4. 3. 2. Almost. 1. Relax. You're going to take your hands forward. As you take your hands forward, relax in child's no, relax in puppy posture. You're doing this so that you lengthen out your shoulder blades as well, okay? Stay 10, keep breathing. If you feel like your wrists are hurting, you can just roll the wrist to the side. 2, other side also. Balance both your sides. 1 and relax. From there, we're going to come up. Now, we're going to do the same motion in a plank position. That means if I'm taking my right leg out, if I'm taking my left leg out, okay? Remember, push, protract your shoulders. What you're not going to do is arch and up. Can you see the arch? You don't want to do that. You want to take the weight forward. Inhale, exhale, push. As you push, you want to go 1 and push. 2 and push. 3 and push. 4 and push. 5, almost, and push. We'll do 5 more. I'm dying, but it's okay. Last. 4 and up. 3 and up. 2, you should feel this in your shoulder blades, and 2, we are on 2. 1, and your deltoids should burn. Stay 5. Up. 4, 3, 2, 1. Squeeze, breathe. Stay 5. Squeeze it in. Engage the core. 4, 3, 2, 1. Relax. Drop your knees. Ha, la, 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 la. Take your hands forward. As you take your hands forward, relax in child's posture. Breathe. I don't know why I keep saying child's posture. I mean puppy. Stay 10. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You're going to come up. Relax. Now, we're going to use the wall. As you come onto the wall, again, you want to make sure the distance is where your shoulders are. If you have wide shoulders like me, it's going to be wide. I don't think anyone's shoulders are going to be this wide, okay? So, you want to understand wherever your shoulders are, it's going to be directly on that. We are doing tricep push-ups. So, you're naturally going to bend from inside, working the triceps, and you come out, okay? So, you're not going out. Your elbows are not going to go out in this one. It's going to go inwards, and again, don't arch the back. Take that tailbone in as much as you can and push. Okay, we'll just do this 3 more times. In and push. 4 and push. Last one, 5. Stay. Because we're not using the ground, this will be easier. 4. Breathe. Squeeze in. 3, 2, 1. Relax. Okay, we're going to do the same thing now with the wall. When you come, again, you're going to measure your distance. Don't go too high, don't go too low. Exactly where your shoulder is. And now as you go forward, inhale, exhale. Things you do not want to do. You do not want to bend the elbows down and come up. Can you see? So you don't want to do that motion. You want to try getting the chest forward, getting your chin forward. So your chin wants to touch here. Your chin does not want to do this. Can you see? This is also my nose. You don't want to do this. Okay, so this motion is not happening because then we are working on our neck, which we don't want to do when you're doing a push-up. Inhale, so keep trying to look forward. Inhale, exhale, go 1 and push. 2, take the tailbone in and push. 3 and push. 4 and push. 5, so you can mark with my sweat, wherever my sweat is. See, it's like a triangle. 7 and up. 8 and up. 9 and up. 10 and up. Relax. This is just a simple basic version so you understand the form. Later on there will be a series 3, a series 4, series 5. I don't know. We will learn how to do the proper technique. So use the wall as support. Get comfortable here. Get your alignment right, and then later we will move into the correct form. Till I see you next time. Practice daily. Stay safe. Stay humble.